Up next, Bandai 1/72nd scale limited edition B-Wing Fighter. Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from SciFiAntasy.com and welcome to another Modeler's Tube unboxing. So today we're going to take a look at one of the 1/72nd scale limited edition B-Wing fighters from Bandai. I got two of them. These are the ones from the San Diego Comic-Con. I am going to open up the packages to show you guys one of them. The other one I'm going to save, put in the closet, and later on sell it for $10.2 million like everybody else does. Now, that's probably both get built up. But yeah, we're going to open it up, see what the difference is between, I pretty much know, you guys know the differences, but I'll show you the parts in them. And keep an eye out for another upcoming video. We are starting our Secret Santa group build or gift swapping stuff on Sci-Fi Fantasy, so I'll make a video about that to remind you all about that. And we also have our Halloween group build going on right now, and there's a whole bunch of people in it. If you want to join, you still could come over to SciFiAntasy.com, join that and start your Halloween build. You still got plenty of time to build. So enough out of me, let's get over to the bench and check one of these bad boys out. Okay, the first thing I noticed that when I got these, there's no shrink wrapping on them. And I found out from a few people that said in Japan they don't shrink wrap them. That happens when they're shipped out, and I guess the other company shrinks wraps them so nobody could get their hands in them. So these are actually not wrapped, so I can get into both of them. The main difference with the box between this one and the regular 1/72nd scale is this one has the Comic-Con little symbol over here, and it's just a black box that says limited edition. Actually, the non-limited edition of this kit has better box art. They should have put the B-Wing on front and put this in the middle of it or something like that. That one looks a lot better than just a plain black box. So let's dig into here and show you what we got. Okay, so we'll just go through the manuals. They got one here with the parts and stuff and how to build a cockpit, putting the lights on and stuff like that. And on the back it shows you the built up version of the kit, and then there's a full book with the instructions. Sorry about the glare, it's nice and shiny. Just be careful, there's a lot of Japanese in here, there is some English, and then you go through exactly how it shows you to. It shouldn't be that bad of a build. And that's the whole, and this one has the back on here and showing the build kit too. So that's the whole instructions. We don't really need to see that. You'll get those when you get the kit. Let's go through the parts. In the kit, you can see these are identical. The difference between these two are these are actually stickers. So if you like the sticker method, you could use these, and I want to be cool like my friend Paul Tosny. And then you got a set of decals. Unlike us, we say decals. He says decals. I like the word decal. So you got a whole bunch of decals over here to put onto the ship. And like I said, they're both exactly the same. Whatever choice you want to use, I'll use the decals and put these on the side. Maybe I could use them for something else. So this is the first runner in the set, and this is one of the differences that I was told between the two sets. The limited edition comes in color, so you won't have to paint it if you don't want to. You could just put washes on here to bring out the details. And each runner is going to be like this, separated in color, so you could just pop it together if you want to. Most of us are going to paint it. Now this is 1/72nd scale, as you can see, hopefully over here. This is the tiny, tiny cockpit of it. Here's the frame to the window, and it's very, very clear. There's no imperfections in that at all. And we have the rear engines here where the lighting will go, some of the main body, and the cones for the engines over here, and a couple other parts that I'm not sure what they are because I really didn't go over the instructions really quick, but this is mostly the body and the cockpit on the first runner. And this is the second runner in the kit. Again, it's its own color. This way you don't have to paint it. You can throw washes on it and get the detailed panel lines out, which there's a lot of detail in here. Here's the nose to the cockpit. You have some more engine bells and wing parts, and you got a really, really tiny little guy over here in 1/72nd scale. It's a really nice kit for the size. I'm hoping they would come out with this in 1/48 because that would be nice if it's a little bit bigger, but this really is packed with detail for a little kit. Now the other part in this package, in the second package, is this runner. And this runner has the Star Wars logo over here, and this is the base to it. This little piece I think goes in the engines. This way you can shine up and look like the engines are working. And I think the difference between this one and the regular edition, the limited edition, this is all clear. I seen a picture that the regular one may be a solid color and not the clear like this. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like on here. And the last part of that package is the little blasters over here. I don't know if I'm going to use these or not. Might be able to light them up and try to shoot light through these things. In the next package are two identical runners with detail parts for the engine and the engine bells. I'm pretty sure that's over here. These have lines in them that's really hard to see on camera, but if you use a washer, it'll bring all that stuff out. So this is just more detailing parts for the kit, and I'm pretty sure the engine portion of the model. And there's 4 different parts in the last package. This has the LED light. I'm not going to take it out because I don't want it to get ruined. This is the back for the LED light and a little screw to put it together, and boom, that's it. The limited edition is pretty much just put together without painting and the added little light here, which the other kit is cheaper and we could put our own lights in. This isn't really a spectacular light set or anything like that. So let's take a look at the last runner. And this is the last runner in the kit. These are the wings. They got really nice panel lines in here. Some rivets. I doubt you'll be able to see that on camera, but if you do a nice wash, that'll all pop out. The other set of small wings and another set of wings over here. And again, this one is cast in a white plastic. This way you don't have to paint it and do what you got to do. Well, that's it for the unboxing of the B-Wing. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at what it's like inside the box. Not a review because I really didn't go over the directions too well. Pretty excited just to see the B-Wing itself, and I wanted to show you guys. Like I said, the main differences between the limited edition are the box. The non-limited edition has actual better box art. The color runners are in this one. The other one's going to be all a solid color that you paint up. You have stickers in this one, which I don't know if they're going to come stickers and decals in the other one. This one has a clear stand, the other one might not have a clear stand, and this one definitely comes with the lighting kit and the other one does not, but the lighting kit, like I said, isn't that impressive on this kit. Thank you for stopping by and checking out the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, it's just a quick unboxing, and don't forget to come over to modelerstube.com, join up, start posting your videos, come over to sci-fiantasy.com, join the Christmas group build and the Halloween group build, and we'll see you all there. Take care, everybody. Oh wait, before I say that, don't forget, if you have any questions or comments, throw them in the comment section below, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Now, take care, everybody, and bye-bye.